Guys, what do? I think I left my heart in LU.
Sorry, I'm gonna leave. I'm driving so far. Tell me why you coming to me and say you want me again. Never wanna lose me.
Hi, Ate Love. Uy, nasa vlog na siya.
Ay, magalit ka ng kamatis. Ay, yung mga sibuyas.
Hammer niyo sibuyas. Karen. Hi guys! Yeah! Oh,
Boys.
Hindi tayo kasi pag meron si
Iyan pa lang.
si Tonet, saka lang.
Iyan pa lang, buong kawan na eh. Oo nga.
saan tayo guys?
Hi guys!
Patuto.
Balik tayo!
Gagi, umiga na sila. Tingnan kami umihiga.
Baka hindi pa kami naligo eh.
Bago.
Gulo nyo.
Wala kaming towel naman.
Oh, yan! Malamig yung aircon din naman. Oh, presko. Yan, video ko. Picture naman.
Kulang sa asin.
Kaya natin. Asim?
Asim.
Pusin mo yung grabe oh.
Uy, may tao. May visitor.
Mas malamig dito.
Tikman mo nga. Rape.
Ano?
Tanga, buhok ng ano yan?
Buhok ng ipon.
Pasayan?
Hindi ganyan kulay ng buhok ko.
Sige nga, dikit mo nga. Sige nga. Oh.
Sipag ko. Di pa malamig.
Wala na, ito lang.
May asawa na nga daw. Madidelay. Grabe, may pamahina. Madidelay daw. Tingin? Met. Uy.
Lugi, wala yung sheets ko.
Hi kayo, hi. Hi guys! Masakit sa paa. Okay, Kuya Ivan.
Hi.
Hi, my favorite cousin.
Kakayobot. Wala nang iinom kape. Lakot pa na kayo. Sinabi ko sa akin dito, pinagkatabi nyo. Iyan nila pinagsinda.
Sino?
Hindi yan pagpapicturan nyo.
Sino?
Babe.
Tayo eh. Nakakaya mag-content sa picture vector.
Grabe na kayo. Oh, dito kayo, baby.
Sarap tayo lahat mo.
Oh, kinamit ka lang. Ang taas na sa'yo.
Summer rain on the window.
JSM. Pwede.
Watch the time float on.
Kuya do.
A memento. As
Yan,
I
yan.
fall dreaming about the future.
Hindi na babalik yan.
Kaso na lang. Okay, sakit yan bukas.
Game. Kalamansi.
Suka nga airteam namin. Oh my God.
Ako din, Terence.
Take apart all the good things, stripped away what's there to do. So many times I've tried, but I just don't remember.
Pagdating namin, pilitan niyo, wala nang pansin. Ang pangunang yan. Pagdating namin, kung bababa lang na medyo, pilitan niyo, wala nang pansin.
Wala na yung style mo, Kuya Ivan.
Nagbubo ako.
Oh. Oh. Wala si Malo.
Patatinik amon.
wait in here. 7-Eleven.
Shot, kuya.
Balik ka dito. Ating ginagawa, ikaw lamang ang nasa isip ko, sinta. Sana'y di na tayo magkahiwalay.
Hi guys, update. It's what time is it? It's 2:51 a.m. and we are angry.
I don't worry, darling.
We are with
Just smile.
Ate Love,
you're
our
by my
brand,
side.
and
Now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine, and I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you, and when you go and leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting. You can make it, because I know that after all this time, you read between these lines. Feeling fine, cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing. All this waiting, waiting, waiting. I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, 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 baby. Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense. But you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you, you said come right on over. I could not wait to show you. I cherish all your lines, and after all this time, feeling fine, cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing. All this waiting, waiting, waiting. I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, 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 baby. You were turning me up and you were turning me on. You woke me up at the break of dawn. I told you, baby, I'm so far gone, but I was sneaking out and I was sneaking in, back into your room again. Oh, honey, please, can't you see what I see? That this is the way it should be. This is the way it should be.